Does freezing heavy cream affect its texture and taste?
As a language model, I don't have a physical form to show you the actual process of freezing heavy cream. However, I can provide you with the necessary information about how freezing affects its texture and taste.
What is heavy cream?
Before we proceed to the main topic, let us first define what heavy cream is. Heavy cream is a type of dairy cream with a high fat content ranging from 36 to 40%. It is commonly used in making desserts, sauces, and soups to add richness and creaminess.
Freezing heavy cream.
Freezing heavy cream is a convenient way to extend its shelf life. However, freezing can cause changes in its texture and taste.
Texture.
Freezing heavy cream can alter its texture, making it grainy and clumpy. The water content in the cream forms ice crystals that break down the fat globules. When thawed, the cream can separate and become watery.
Taste.
The taste of heavy cream can also be affected by freezing. The breakdown of fat globules can result in a slightly off taste or rancid flavor.
Recommendations.
If you plan to use heavy cream for whipping or adding to your coffee, it is best to use fresh cream instead of frozen. However, if you have excess heavy cream that you don't want to go to waste, freezing it can still be an option. Just make sure to use it for cooking or baking rather than for whipping. In summary, freezing heavy cream can affect its texture and taste. While it is still possible to freeze heavy cream, it is recommended to use fresh cream for better results. If you must freeze heavy cream, use it for cooking or baking purposes rather than for whipping.